Hey twos, welcome to the channel. How's it going today? Not too bad today. It's pretty nice and warm today. Probably about 75 degrees. I'm working on the Integra today. I got my replacement rear calipers in. These are used ones, so I'm painting them black. This one, the piston's been kind of sticking, so I finally ordered some. I got them in. Still got to do the other side, and so yeah, you're used, and but they're still good condition. The seals are all good. I've already done a test drive, so and they're all right. Just pulling it back over here and jacked it up, and gonna paint. I've already painted this one. It's just some, just some Rust-Oleum 2x clear. Gonna just tape it all off, and I'll show you the other side. I gotta do it too. So yeah, I don't know. They came like in a funky painted silver color. I'm gonna sand that off and gonna paint them black. So that's what I'm doing today, folks. Ooh, this wasp are horrible. Get away. Well, that's it. Yeah. I don't know what you guys, that shiny paint. Yeah, buffed out the other day. Sad it's gonna rain tonight and thunderstorm, but oh well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yup. That's it. Nothing really else going on. Just a cloudy day and working on this thing. Alright. Take it easy.